In this video, I'll show you exactly how to undo the cut in Capcut. In Capcut, there is no merge option. So once you split this track, simply just scroll ahead to this undo button. It's get back to the original track. However, let's say, assume you split this track and apply some edits on this specific section, and you decided to merge it again. There is no way to do it, because if you click on this undo button, all the edit you applied to this script will be lost. So you have to do it all over again from scratch. So if that's the case, just simply click the first half of this script and then copy it and paste it and move it above the original track, and click on this edge of the above track and extend it forward, and then delete the bottom track, and that's it. There is one downside of this method, because all the edits you applied on this first half of this track will be carried over. However, the second half of clip edits will not be carried over. So you have to do it all over, because this section is not carried over from the bottom track. So you have to do it all over again. So please consider which way is the faster for you. So it depends. So if there are so many edits on the second half of this track, I wouldn't recommend to using this method. Let's give it a try. Thank you for watching.